how are you all? I am Kruti and welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail and coming into this video. So today's video is specially for all the girl bosses out there. I'm going to share 7 different apps that is going to help all the girl bosses, especially with their routine, their daily life, their productivity, their mental wellness, their physical wellness, every single thing. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first app is this app called 21 Days Challenge app. So this is how the app looks like, 21 Days Challenge app. So the idea behind this app is whenever we do something for 21 days straight, it becomes our habit. So that is the whole idea behind this. And there are so many challenges that you can take up here for yourself. Say for example, right now I'm taking a challenge of morning routine, so to basically get myself into a morning routine. So for that I have taken up this challenge, and say for example today is my day 3. So if I just scratch it, I will have a new challenge for myself to complete. So it is just do some stretching after you wake up. Once we are done with this challenge, we can just click on challenge completed, and based on that we will get some points. So as you can see here, so like I have already completed a couple of challenges, and so far I have earned 406 coins. So that is kind of just a reward for ourselves. And you can also create your own challenge if you want. Just give a title to your challenge and just add a task for each day for 21 days, and just click on create here. And you can also make it public for everyone else to use it. So yeah, do try this app and let me know how it worked for you. Next up is this app called Wallet. So this app is basically very important app, especially for any girl boss. So I believe that if you are a girl boss, be financially independent, and to be financially independent you should be able to manage your finances well, right? So this is how the app looks. You can just enter the cash amount that you want to track the balance of, or maybe you can also add the details of any bank account that you want to track expenses of. So here, say for example, I had entered my balance to be 30,000 initially, and then I have added some expenses here. So click on this plus sign and I can just add the expense rupees 2,000, and here I can also select the category. Say maybe I have spent this much amount on shopping of say clothes and shoes, so 2,000 rupees for that. I selected the category. I'll click on save button. It will show your record of total expenses along with a chart, and at the end of the month it will show you that most of your money is getting spent on what category. So it will give you a good overview of your expenses, and it will help you to manage your expenses well next month. So there are so many features available here, so you can try it. You can also add the upcoming planned payments that you have here, and you can also add reminders here. Say for example, here I have mentioned a planned payment which is rent, which will be due on 20th of February, and I've also set a reminder here which will tell me that it is due in 2 days. And yeah, that is it. It can show you everything that you need. The third app that I'm going to talk about is app called Think Me Right. So this is how the app looks. Because of the privacy settings of the app, we are not able to take screenshots or screen record that app. So I'm just showing you out of the Play Store. And this app has many features like meditation, free meditation, music, tips for improving your mental wellness and everything. So you should definitely try this app. Of course this app has very limited features when it comes to free version, but I think you should still give it a try, and if you really like it you can also purchase its premium version. The next app, the fourth app that I want to talk to you about is app named Forest. So this app is basically really nice app. So this is how it looks. So here you have to kind of plant a tree. While your tree is growing, you have to work or study or whatever you have chosen your goal to be. So you can just change this timer. Say for example, I want to work straight for 45 minutes, and I can also change plant. Say for example, I'm taking up this plant, and my goal is to work, so I'll just select work from here and I'll start planting. Okay, so for 45 minutes straight I have to be on this app and I have to work. If I leave this app, my tree will get affected and it will not grow. So here what basically happens is it helps you stay focused on a work and you will not get distracted by your phone. And this is really fun app because eventually it will create an entire garden of your own, like obviously a virtual garden, but it will give you a motivation to work. So the fifth app is called My Diary. So up until now, you all might know that I'm a big advocate of maintaining a diary and writing a journal, and I cannot stress enough how useful it can be for you as well. This is the My Diary app. So it is kind of a digital journal, we can say. Just click on the plus sign given here and it will ask you how was your day. Say for example, my day was happy. I'll just select that one. And I can also type in here anything, or maybe I can just voice record what I'm trying to say. That is also an option here. So here will be a voice note, so it will be saved in your journal. You can put on some stickers based on your mood or what you are writing about, and just move it anywhere you want. You can also add any picture of yourself from the gallery. You can add any picture or anything. Basically you can change the text style. Of course there are limited options in the free version, but still they are very helpful. The sixth app is my most favorite app called Bloomed. So this is my most favorite app out of all the apps. It is called Bloomed, and this is specially designed for women. There are so many things we can track and learn here. We can track our period. We can just journal our food that we have taken in that day. We can also journal water intake. Everything is there. There are so many tips, lifestyle tips, meal rules, and these are the tips and rules that are personal recommendations for us, because when you log into this app for the first time, they're going to ask you a few questions about your goals, what you want to achieve, and based on that they'll give you some tips, some meal rules. And then here you can see so many wellness plans available. There are some music available, there are some physical activity available, female health, blogs regarding female health, nutritional recipes and everything. So many things are there. We have food plans, recipes and everything. We also have a community where we can just share our thoughts with other people, like other women out there. So basically exchange motivation and knowledge with one another. So this is really nice app. It is like a wholesome app for any women. You should definitely try this one, if not any other app. Please try this out. And the last but not the least is this app called To Do List. Now this is like a very essential app, and I feel that everybody might have if not this exact app, then very similar app in their phones every time. So this is basically a to-do list app where you can just enter the task that you want to do, and you can also set the reminder here so that you are constantly reminded of the tasks that are due in some time, and you are good to go. You can also set the preference of reminders, that you want a reminder to be at the same time, or maybe 5 minutes before, 30 minutes before. So I generally prefer 10 minutes time duration for myself to remind. And yeah, that is it. So it will be just visible like this on your phone, and it will also give you reminder in your notification bar. So thank you so much all of you for watching the video. I hope you all liked it. Do let me know in the comment section that which app worked best for you. But before that, you have to try all the apps that I have recommended. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.